This is the secret for the most delicious and easiest to prepare sandwich. It's impossible to resist. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and stir. Now in a pan on minimum heat, add some butter, and when it's melted, pour the beaten eggs. We're gonna need 2 slices of bread. Dip both sides in the beaten eggs, then let them cook next to each other until the eggs are done. Take a moment to write in the comments where you're watching us from, so that I can thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. When the eggs are thick, flip the bread on the other side. And with the help of a spatula, close the eggs to start assembling our sandwich. Add a bit of ketchup, a bit of mustard, 1 slice of ham, 1 slice of cheese, and finally close the sandwich with the spatula by adding the other slice of bread. Let cook for 1 minute to let the cheese melt and the sandwich is done! And you guys, this recipe is delicious, perfect for breakfast. You need to try it. You're gonna love it. You can make it as you like it. Now I'm gonna prepare it with just 1 slice of bread. And if you are still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love sandwiches. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Bye.